Force 4 here today with Cerashield. Gemma, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Cerashield's a new product into Force 4. It's part of a sort of growing range of ceramic coatings, but you do much more than that.
We do a whole range of aftercare products which have been tried and tested for the marine industry. They're pH neutral and environmentally friendly.
We'll start with ceramic coatings, so I think that's probably the thing that people know the least about. So what is a ceramic coating, how's it used, and what's the benefit to your boat, I guess, with that?
Ceramic coating is a protector that goes onto the boat, the hull of the boat, once it's been polished. It protects the boat from sun, from salt, from UV, from bird mess. It chemically bonds to the surface and locks in the gloss on your boat. Generally lasts about a year and makes it very hydrophobic and makes it easier to clean, which every boat owner would love to hear.
The range that you have, I'm guessing that is the final step.
Well, that is the final step if you are applying a ceramic coating, but
Yeah.
following on from that, we have a range of aftercare products, ceramic boat washes. So if you've had a ceramic coating, you could use a ceramic boat wash which has hydrophobic properties in it, and it has ceramic particles, so it just keeps the gloss, keeps adding a layer of protection.
Yeah.
You also have a topper. Topper is a protective coating. It's not a ceramic, but it puts a layer of shine on. You wipe it on, you wipe it off.
So with the wash down and the topper and stuff like that, you've put your ceramic coating on, and these are to maintain that?
The topper is, you would probably do that every 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
It just gives you a high gloss finish,
Yeah.
and makes it hydrophobic, so the water repels off the boat,
Yeah.
making it easier to dry, easier to wipe any bird mess off or any black marks from the exhaust.
And so the wash down, you would use that once you've got your ceramic coating on to not take... Would other boat washes strip your ceramic coating essentially, or...?
As long as they're pH neutral, they wouldn't strip the ceramic coating. Our ceramic coatings are very concentrated,
Yeah.
and they have extra gloss particles in them and hydrophobic properties, polymers, hydrophobic polymers in them, ceramic polymers.
One of the things that I also noticed when we were putting the product onto the Force 4 website is the very special sponge for applying it.
So this is a microfiber applicator pad, which are absolutely amazing for applying the ceramic. It's very easy to use. You can wash these as long as you haven't put ceramic coating on them. They come in packs of 6, good price.
Yeah, and so I know that what you've done, you've tried to make it as easy as possible for customers, and you've put together kits for like 20-foot boats, 25-foot boats, bigger.
Yeah.
So what's in the kit, and what would they do essentially?
So we have these kits which you can see in front of us, and basically this is everything you will need to ceramic coat your boat. You would start off by washing down the boat, making sure it's clean. You'd then use the degreaser, which would remove any toxins. You always use the degreaser before you apply the ceramic coating to make sure there's no dirt or any marks on the boat.
Yeah.
You then apply the ceramic coating. You do areas of the boat using the famous applicator pad. And our coating is very easy to use. You wipe it on, you wait for it to chemically bond to the surface, and then you buff it off with this microfiber.
Okay.
Then when you've finished and the coating's dried, it normally takes about 24 hours to dry in the UK, you would then apply the topper. The topper then gives you just a few extra months of protection on top of the ceramic.
Oh, nice, brilliant. So yeah, it's professional level boat care, but doable for
the boat owner.
Yeah.
And the boat owner can do it themselves. We also have a very good aftercare customer service, so if anyone has any questions, they can come straight to us and we'll give them all the technical answers.
Brilliant, thank you. So yeah, that's Cerashield. Check them out online and in stores at Force 4.